So we are in the El Primo account. As you can see, we have a mega box from the Trophy Road and 11 big boxes. And Manisha here, Manisha will open the boxes in this account, and let's hope for the best.
And have you seen the Brawl Talk? The Trophy Road got extended to 50,000.
So that's really bad.
That is, I feel it's nice, but no, but El Primo's account is almost reached to the max, like the end of the Brawl thing. No, the Trophy Road. That's why it's bad, because we wanted to finish the Trophy Road.
Yes. And so let's get started with the video.
We'll start with the big boxes, then
yes,
the mega box.
Yeah. So first big box. Can we get the gadget? 3, 2, 1, boom. 54. I don't think so. Yes, nothing. It's okay. Okay. Open it slowly. So open. 53. Okay. We are not getting anything. Is it? Yeah. So I want the brawler or Jackie Star Power. Sorry, gadget. Sorry, power points. Can I get 130
because he's
points?
trying to max out Jackie from this.
Yes, he's too cool. Okay, 94. We are not getting again anything. So it's sad for me, guys. So the previous box opening was really lucky. If you don't if you didn't watch that, please go and watch it. Yes. Okay, 85 points. Gee, yes. Can't we get lucky? No, we can't get lucky, guys. What the heck? Okay, so first 4 big boxes were really unlucky, and let's get started with the. Okay, again nothing. Can we get 2 items from 1 big box? Like just gadget and nanny, something like that. Brawl Stars, please. 5 more to go, 6 more. Okay, 86. I'm just getting coins. I want something. Okay. So Frank 12 and M's 90.
Okay, nice.
Yes, I wanted to upgrade M's. I want to upgrade M's. So
okay, so 5 more boxes left. Let's hope that we get something from these 5 boxes, and if not, let's hope that we get something from Mega Box.
Yes, if we'll not get, then
better luck next time.
Yes. So this was okay. We are getting something. Okay, boom. No, we're not getting anything.
Oh no.
6. We last 4 big boxes to go. 70 coins. We are not getting anything from this also.
But M's upgrade.
Yeah, but I want something. Brawl Stars.
Seriously. Ooh, 50.
Yeah. So can I get something from the last 3 big boxes? 53. Probably nothing, guys. So yes, nothing, guys. Okay, Jackie power points. That's okay. Nice. That's 2 big boxes. Okay, we are not getting anything from this one also probably. Yes, guys. We're not getting anything, guys. Last big box. We are just getting coins. Reject him. Yeah, and the last big box. So again, nothing, guys. Can't we get? Okay, we'll get something from Mega Box probably, because as we open 33 big boxes, 33 normal boxes, as 1 big box is 3 normal boxes, and we'll upgrade some of these brawlers. Okay, I want to upgrade M and these thingies, and we'll upgrade Brock.
Gotta get that loot. It's time
as I love Brock. And the Mega Box, the last thing.
This is the last thing we have, and let's hope we get something from this.
At least a gadget.
Gadget, brawler, anything is okay.
Yes, guys. 3, 2, 1. 5 items. Why, Brawl Stars? You cheated me, Brawl Stars. Okay. We got nothing from
Wow,
this
Nita
box.
76.
So guys, this much for today. As you saw, my luck was really bad today. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, Suma back here. This is 2 days after the box opening. The season just got ended, so we have decided to buy a mega box and a big box from like the Brawl Stars, giving 2,000 total. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of pink star points. Tara, Jackie, El Primo. Oh wow, it's so much. I gotta speak. Okay, so total of 1,050. So I love that, and really nice. I will take a screenshot of all this. Okay, and the last one. Okay, yes, then collect. Wow, that looks so cool, guys. And as my brawlers were really high, so I got so many, and we are going to open the big box from Quest Road also. Okay, we got nothing. Okay, token doublers. I want them. Really, I want them. That's nice. And then, okay, free coins. I will take that also. And the big box and the mega box. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Can we get something? Okay, 500. 54. Can we get? No, Brawl Stars. Okay, it's okay. And then the mega box. It's the time for mega box. Click. Okay, click. Oh no, Supercell again. Why? That's really unfair with me, Supercell. You didn't did good with me. So guys, this much for today.